Hello there, beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Shopify B2B payment terms for the wholesale customers or your B2B customers, which is they call on Shopify companies. Without any more talking, let's just get to it. So obviously the first thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. After that, click on customers here on the left menu right here and click on companies. So companies are not the B2C clients, they are the B2B clients or customers. This is how you have to create them here, and you can add a company, click on add company, you can create a new one. However, if you want to assign payment terms, as you can see this one for a new one. So first, if you create a new company, you should see this option right here. If you click on it, then you can do on fulfillment or net 7, net 15, net 30, and so on. However, if you are using Plus, if you click on net 7, then you can see this option, which is required deposit on orders created at checkout. And this option is only available for the Plus account. So if you are using Plus, then this one should be available for you. You can enable it and set the percentage of how much deposit of the whole amount in cart should be deposited in order for the order to proceed. But if you are in basic or advanced or grow plan, this option will not be available for you. You should not see it. And if you want to assign the payment terms for existing clients or B2B customers, that is how to do it. Click on companies. Let me discard this. Click on companies. Now first click on the company that you want to assign the payment terms from. For example, this one, I can click on it. And in here on the left panel, you should see customizations, and below the options you can customize, which is the payment term. So you can click on edit payment terms and you can edit it however you want. Again, this option will not be available for you unless you are using the Plus account. And that's how you set payment terms on Shopify B2B for your Shopify store. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.